at all. If suppose you want to put some text in these files, then you can do it. This is a test file, and if I save it and if I close it and if I then check out the properties, then you can see that it's no longer empty. It has some text in it, and it now occupies 21 bytes of space. So there you go. That's a test for you. And we will learn when we get to our discussion on cat how to put text in files through the terminal. But for the time being, that's all I wanted to speak about touch. Now the next command that we're going to check out is mkdir. Now mkdir is a command that you use to create directories. What is a directory? If I right click in my home folder or in any folder within my home folder and click on create folder, then the system asks me to provide a name to this folder, and I can type in anything. Let's say I want to call this folder random. If I type in random and press enter, then I have a folder that's called random in my home folder. Now this is nothing but a directory. A folder is the same as a directory. If I want to do the same thing through the terminal, then I'll have to obviously use a command, and the command, as I said, is mkdir. I put a space and I have to give a name to my folder if I want to create it in my present working directory. And if I not want to create it in my present working directory, then I have to give its address, right? And by the address I mean the path. We'll learn what that means, but at first let me just create one. I'll call this folder test, and if I press enter, I can see that in my home folder I have a folder called test, and this folder is currently empty because I haven't put anything in it yet. Now what if I want to create a folder in the documents folder in my home folder? I can first change my directory from the home folder to the documents folder and then execute mkdir, but that would just be waste of time, and I also haven't taught you how to change the directory through the terminal. So instead what we can do is we can execute this command, mkdir documents / because we want to put it inside the documents folder, and then we can give a name to our folder like test _ folder and press enter. And now you guys can see that in my home folder, in the documents